Welcome back to Southwest Overland. This time we head to Eastern Jeep Safari in Moab, Utah. We are excited to be trying out our new 2023 Jeep Gladiator. We will be taking on Hell's Roaring Rib. As we head out to the trail, remember, make sure you watch out for your locals. This trail's technical rating is a 3, and the goal is to be able to go overlook the Green River. This trail has a little bit of everything, from sand hills to small ledges and canyon climbs. The only modifications our Jeep had was a rear Go Rhino bumper and some DV8 bed sliders. Besides that, it was 100% stock. At this point, our Jeep had less than 2,000 miles on it, but we were enjoying every single second of it. We did have a few good climbs, and as the trail progressed, we had a few switchbacks that made it just the right amount of exciting. Our group as a whole and our guide were amazing. Everybody was really helpful and very friendly. As we got to the overlook, the views didn't stop amazing us by the second. Easter Jeep Safari is an amazing off-road event that I suggest everybody to experience. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video and make sure to like and subscribe.